Hey everybody, it's Erin from Erin Reed Makes, and with me today I have
Catherine,
my daughter, and she is going to be doing a fun, I don't know, art piece, right? So this came from the Orange Art box. This was in the April box, and it's a kit that came from the Beatery. This was one of the things that was inside the box, and she has this exclamation point. We already went ahead and dumped out all of the little tile pieces, and they're all these cool different shapes. There's some geometric shapes,
they're
and they're
small.
yeah, they're
big.
They're all cool. So what we have here is we have this exclamation point, and on one side it is like a plastic, and on the other side it's got a paper that you can pull back, and it reveals a sticky. So here we're pulling the paper back, and this is sticky, which means that you can stick a tile to it and it doesn't come off. With the kit, it was also given like this little design, but you can also just freehand it and do whatever you like. And there's a couple of different options. These are the broken mosaic shapes. We did not get that. We got the geometric one. So do you want to use the pattern, or do you just want to do your own thing?
I want to use the pattern.
You want to use the pattern, and then you can always go off and do your own thing. Do you want to start at the circle side, or do you want to start on the back side?
I'm going to go on the paper and do it on the paper, and then I'm going to take the part off and then put it onto the paper.
Oh, okay. Well, that's a cool way of doing it. So you're just going to line things up on the paper, and then we're going to flip this upside down and then stick it?
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and speed up and let Catherine do her thing, and then we'll come back after she's filled all this out, and we'll do the big reveal and flipping over and see if we can get this to work, right?
Yeah.
All right, so go to town, Catherine. All right, so Catherine has done quite a bit already, and we're just going to make sure everything is nice and lined up for it and on here. So she's using the design on the paper, and then what we're going to do now is we're going to peel back, and she wants to finish it later, which is totally cool. We're going to take off the paper like this, right?
Then put it on there carefully.
Very good, Catherine. That's exactly right. And then just place this like that right here.
Magic.
Like that.
Like
do you want to push down?
Yes.
All right, you push down. There you go. Sorry about the little S on my hand there. We went to a competition, and that was our way of getting in.
Oh, that looks
Is
so
that cool?
cool?
So I just want to show you that there's another way that you could do this. You could totally just free flow and do whatever you want, but you can also pull back the plastic, lay it over top, and you can see the design, and then add the design from there. So it's really up to you. So what color? Do you want to just do a few here to show?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I want to do this pink square.
All right, put it on there.
Put it right there.
Yeah. So obviously there's a multitude of ways that you can apply these, which is so much fun. I love it. And whatever way that you want to do it, go for it. I mean, there's no wrong way, I don't think, right?
No.
Can I do one?
Yeah, try one.
Awesome. I'm going to do blue, because you know me, I love blue.
Yeah, and green.
Yeah, blue and green. There it is.
Colors. And there's a lot of blue and green on there.
There is a lot of blue and green on here. This is so much fun.
I know.
Now we need the little squares.
You can do two, and I can do two.
Okay.
You can pick whatever colors you want.
Oh, I found a black one.
I found pink and green.
I get a couple, huh?
Pink and green.
Pink and green.
We both get to do
I'll
two.
put my black right there. You put your green right there. Fun. So that's another way that you can add them. Which way did you like better?
I like both ways.
You
I
like
like
both
always.
You like always.
I don't care which way.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and finish this up, and then we'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. All right, so here it is. It's all done, Catherine. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Yeah? Now, what are you going to use with this?
I'm going to use it for a big bookmark.
Big bookmark. That looks like so much fun. So she did an amazing job, and she started off using the pattern, and then you went on your own way and just did your own thing, right?
Yes.
Very cool. And we still have the other one left to make that either you can make or one of your brothers can do, right?
Yes.
Awesome. And look how many more tiles. It looks like we even barely dented all the tiles that were in that package. So there's a whole lot more that you can do with all these fun little plastic tiles beyond just adding them to these fun sticky sheets. Thanks so much for stopping by. Orange Art Box link is down below if you want to get your subscription box, which is fantastic. The kids have an absolute blast playing with the supplies that are in there every month. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. You want to say goodbye, Catherine?
Bye.
Bye, everybody.